Hi. So, I, gusto ko lang mag-share kung what's been happening with my life in UE Dent. It's like my second year now. Uh, it's shockers. Yeah. It's like, itong week is like, uh, the week is like, this week is like our third week, I think. Nag-start yung class nung July 7th. So I have a list here of like things to talk about sa UE. Okay, so let me just introduce myself. I'm Eunice, a dent student in University of the East. So uh, I'm just gonna share because this is like my video journal of some sort. So second year, how's second year like right now? As I've said, this is like my third week na, and second year is so stressful, you guys. Like I barely get sleep, you know. Like maybe it's because of my schedule as well, like and where I live. But the the past few weeks, all of all I've been doing is studying, and I'm barely passing. As you can see that uh, it's almost prelims, and this, look what I'm doing. I'm doing a video journal or something. So, uh, my schedule is like 8 a.m. or 8:30 a.m. and then I go home. Oh, I mean I get dismissed at like 7 or 7:30 p.m. Uh, I'm the thing is I'm really far from our school. It's like a good 40 uh 40 minute or uh much longer because traffic, and yeah, it's traffic. So I think I've been seeing of uh the time kung anong oras ako umuwi. It's like 8:30 or something. And then uh but the thing is, Friday I get home at like 12 p.m. because I get dismissed at like 12. So that's a good thing in my schedule. But so the subjects. Oh, okay. The subjects. So uh, we have like four major subjects because it's like oral anatomy, general histology, uh, general anatomy, and I forgot that. Oh, biochem. Yeah. Like just hearing biochem is just making me shiver, guys. Like Jesus Christ. And I have PE and health econ, health economy. Yeah. So that's our subjects. Like, it's like uh, in my first year, mas marami yung subject, and this this second year parang is there are like four things you need to like na for subjects na need mong tutukan. So I think, and the thing is with the subject is like they're all connected. Like you'll see like terms in general history histology that you'll see in general anatomy, or you'll see it in oral anatomy. So they're really connected. It's like this, you guys. And the first year subjects are like this. So it's like different, very different subjects. But yung subjects natin sa second year, first sem is like if you can as you can observe, it's like very similar and connected naman sila. So that's that. Uh, the workload the workload sa subjects namin, ang dami. Like, all I can do, you know, all I can do is just complain, 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 but I'll do it anyway naman. Siyempre, reklamo muna bago gawa. You know. And I've been ranting to my friends, like, I've been saying, like, ayoko na, like, and stuff. Like, this is like our third week and we're barely passing. Sobrang nakaka-down yung dent. Grabe. So that's what I've been feeling. Like, uh, it's so embarrassing to like admit this, but like I've been like crying. Like, I've been like telling my sister, like, I think mahina ako for dentistry, but she just like said like I can do it, and like her friend told me that yan ang thought ng every dent student. Yeah. So siguro ang iniisip ko like right now is like I need to like focus on what's in front of me than thinking of what's gonna be the results. That doesn't make any sense. I'm sorry. But yeah, I only. So the thing is, I'm not gonna give up right now until I see the result that it says like I failed. So that's like my mindset right now. But honestly, it's like so hard for me to like. I've been hearing my friends. I have two friends in class, like the close friends, and they're thinking of shifting. Which is really hard for me because I have to find new friends and stuff. And the thing is, with my section, yeah, they're kind of yeah, kind of. Ugh. I don't really want to like say a bunch of stuff about my section because I don't know. It's still their privacy, you know. But our section is like, it's not really like this. They're like this. This is us. This is them. This is like, this is like your clothes, right? With your friend. This is us. This is us three, and this is us with our classmates. I don't know what I'm showing you guys, but it's like that. So, uh, our tuition, 99K. Uh, I think that was one of the reasons, like, why I got like so down because like, and my parents are very supportive of me. Like, they've been funding me and stuff. They've been giving me the things I need. Like, whenever I ask for like, yo mom, I need to buy like this, and she immediately gives me the money for it. Like, I have this thick ass lab manual for like oral anatomy. This is like 600, you guys. Like 600 pesos for like a lab manual. That should be free, you guys. I don't know. It's like full of empty pages is anyway. Like, it's like empty pages. I swear, I swear. Like, I know we're like meant to draw in this pages, but like this for like 600. I don't know, you guys. See, it's like a bunch of empty spaces. Like, I don't know if this is like worth 600. It's like a bunch of empty spaces. Anyway, that's that. So, being in dentistry is like really expensive. Like, especially if your parents are like may kaya lang. Uh, it's really hard to continue dent with our tuition being 99K. Nahiya pa sila, no? Like, they could have made it 100K na, but they got shy and made it 99K. I know, it's stupid. So that's that. So the facilities in UE it sucks. It really sucks. Like, papasok papasok ka, like, two of the escalators isn't working. And like there's like two elevators sa may annex, and then kapag bandang 8 a.m. sobrang puno niya. Like makikita mo talaga yung line. It's ang daming tao. Like ano ka lang magawa? Syempre, you have to go, ano, you have to take the stairs na lang. Which is stupid kasi, Diyos ko, ang mahal ng tuition. Anyway, yung, ano naman, that's for annex, yung annex building. Yung sa LB na building naman, like, parang, it's been a week na, diba? Wala akong araw na nakita na gumagana yung elevator doon. Like, oh my God. I know, may escalator sa LB, but, Diyos ko, parang, hindi, parang, hindi worth it. Parang, hindi ko alam kung saan nila nilalagay yung pera, pero, makikita mo sa UE, na, yung mga rooms nila, it doesn't look 99K, you guys. Yung mga tables, it doesn't look like the 99K. I don't know where our money goes, but like the facilities, like you can see sa ceiling, like even like one of our prof pointed it out, like how our room smelled moldy. Like he said that. And I mean, makikita mo rin sa rooms, like if you look up at the ceiling, there's molds, like I don't know, you guys. It's just it doesn't look the 99K, which is really really disappointing in UE's side, you know, because they're not really improving. I can see that, because even the escalator, like two of the escalator aren't working, like, which is dumb, because escalator, yung elevator hindi gumagana. Like mag-stairs pa ako for 6th floor or 7th, then kasi diba like 7th or 6th floor kami, so that's that. Tangina, I'm sorry for cursing, but I just really needed to like get it out. So yeah, so yung profs naman namin, so yung prof ko ngayon is like a terror prof. I got unlucky, you guys. So sa section namin, walang pumapasa. Like we had a quiz like over 20, like our highest is like 7. I know, I got a 5. It's so dumb. It's like it's like I've been hearing things like about sa mga profs, like parang paswertehan na lang ng prof, which sucks, guys. Like kasi like I'm here to learn, like, you know, I know na need namin mag self-study, and like hindi na namin need spoon fed, but like ang hirap mag aral kasi ang hirap mag-adjust, just ko. Pero I'm trying my best naman to adjust, you know. So if you ask me how I've been doing and how my grades are, honestly it's just fucked. I'm sorry for the cursing, but it's just, I think I haven't passed any quiz except for like pre-labs for biochem. So that's that. Anyway, I'm gonna finish it as a video now because it's gonna be 15 minutes. Well, goodbye, guys, and I hope that I improve my grades in UE. I just wish to just pass, you guys. I'm just wishing I would pass dentistry. I mean this course. I mean this subjects. I just wish I pass. I don't even care kung it's like line of 7. The thing is, I just want to pass the subjects. That's how bad it is with me right now. So that's that. I guess I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye. enjoyed that.